iPad Pros are very popular among users and awesome in terms of performance. However, there are a number of accessories that you can use to maximize the usability of an iPad Pro. From a number of currently available options in the market, it is essential to find the right iPad Pro accessory according to your need. That's why we have come up with the list of top 7 best iPad Pro accessories just to make it easier for you to choose. So let's jump into the video and see what we have in our list. Unleash your creativity with the Logitech Crayon, an affordable Apple Pencil alternative that offers all the features that a stylus should have. Compatible with the iPad 6th and 7th generation along with 3rd generation iPad Pro and Air, this stylus is built using Apple Pencil technology, which will give you access to hundreds of Apple Pencil supported apps instantly. Constructed with the aluminum tube and silicone rubber cap, this pencil will give you zero perceptible lag time and perfect precision, allowing you to write and draw naturally without fear of missing a single line. It has a smart tip which dynamically adjusts line weight depending on the angle you place it, enabling you to draw a thick or thinner line on your iPad just by tilting your pencil. Weighing around just 20 grams, this stylus will give you up to 7.5 hours of writing time on a single charge. And if you are on low battery, then no need to worry because it can give you 30 minutes of writing time in just 2 minutes of charging. If you are looking for an affordable Apple Pencil alternative that offers high durability along with all the essential features that Apple Stylus provides, then the Logitech Crayon is the right choice for you. And you can get it starting at around $100. Tired of typing your fingers on your iPad's display? Then check the Logitech K380, a Bluetooth keyboard that can be used with your iPad and can elevate your user experience. This keyboard connects to your iPad via Bluetooth with a 10-meter range and offers comfort and convenience of desktop typing experience, allowing you to use your keyboard comfortably with your iPad. You can connect this keyboard with up to 3 different iPads simultaneously and switch between them at the touch of a button, allowing you to increase your productivity and enhance your iPad's user experience. This keyboard can automatically map keys and remember shortcuts, providing you a convenient keyboard experience while you work on your iPad. Weighing around 422 grams, this keyboard comes in a super compact size and runs on 2 AAA batteries, which offer a runtime of up to 2 years, providing you long battery life and allowing you to carry it with your iPad easily. If you're looking for a physical keyboard that is lightweight, portable, and can be used with your iPad, then the Logitech K380 is the perfect choice for you. And you can get it at around $40 only. Want to elevate your music experience with your iPad? Then check the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro, the first ever award-winning earbuds to utilize the Astral Coaxial acoustic architecture to enhance your music experience. These earbuds have an 11mm dynamic audio driver which provides amazing low end and high bass while you are listening to music with your iPad. It features Hear ID that intelligently analyzes your unique hearing profile using the Soundcore app and creates a tailor-made sound setup just for your ears. With IPX4 waterproof rating, these earbuds will allow you to use it comfortably with your iPad without any hassle. These earbuds can provide you up to 8 hours of runtime on their own, and with the charging case, it can give an extended 32 hours of battery life, allowing you to enjoy your music on your iPad for a long time. With the wireless charging capabilities, the case of these earbuds can be recharged with a Qi-compatible wireless charger or even via fast-charging USB-C cable, providing you a convenient earbud experience along with your iPad. If you're looking for a wireless earbud for your iPad which can give you amazing music experience, then the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro is the right choice for you, and you can get it at around $130. Want to attach more devices with your iPad? Then meet the Anker Power Expand Plus, a 5-in-1 USB-C hub that offers all the essential ports to plug in with your iPad Pro. Compatible with iPad Pro 2018, 2019 and 2020, this tiny device can transform your iPad's USB-C port into 3 USB 3 ports, 1 HDMI port and 1 Ethernet port, allowing you to connect your necessary gadgets and peripherals to your iPad Pro without any hassle. Its USB ports offer transfer speeds up to 5 GB per second and allowing you to move your files and documents to your iPad in just seconds. Built with premium aluminum construction, this hub has a durable USB connector and a hard-wearing nylon cable, which is designed to withstand up to 2000 bends, enabling you to use the hub with iPad for many years. It offers a compact and lightweight design that fits effortlessly into your bag and pocket for superior portability so that you will be able to carry it with your iPad with ease. If you are looking for a USB-C hub that is compatible with your iPad Pro and offers fast USB 3 ports, then the Anker Power Expand Plus is the right choice for you, and you can get it at around $33. Worrying about accidental drops or bumps? Then meet the ProCase iPad Pro, a slim design case that is built with durable materials to protect your iPad Pro. Compatible with iPad Pro 2018 and 2020, this slim design case with a flexible hardback design is built with quality ABS material that efficiently protects your iPad against accidental drops, scratches, and bumps, allowing you to carry your favorite iPad device without worrying about anything. This case fully supports 2nd generation Apple Pencil's magnetic attachment and wireless charging, while it offers a unique hole at the side that holds your pencil safely, so that you'll be able to take your iPad along with your stylus easily. This case is designed with dual standing positions to adjust your iPad into different angles, providing you a comfortable viewing angle for your iPad. It offers a translucent frosted back cover, which allows you to see the Apple icon through your favorite color and protect your device against fingerprints and scratches in the meantime. If you're looking for a slim design case for your iPad Pro that can protect your device against accidental drops and bumps, then the ProCase iPad Pro is the right choice for you, and you can get it at just $20. Meet the LG X Boom Go PL2, a compact wireless speaker that can be paired with your iPad and offers powerful sound to enhance your music experience. Tuned by Meridian Audio, the PL2 is a single-channel wireless speaker that has a 1.75-inch woofer and a passive radiator, providing you loud sound, clear vocals, decent bass, and beats that you would actually feel. With the Bluetooth 5 and AAC coding, it offers a stable connectivity, longer range, and high-fidelity music playback so that you'll be able to take your iPad anywhere in your house while listening to any music without any signal loss. The speaker also has IPX5 weather resistance certification, which prevents dust, sand, and rainwater from entering the speaker. With 1500 mAh battery capacity, this speaker can last up to 10 hours, allowing you to enjoy your music for a long time. Weighing around just 322 grams, this speaker is built with plastic material and has a rounded shape with a rubbery matte finish, giving it a premium look and allowing you to take it anywhere with your iPad easily. If you're looking for a wireless portable speaker that offers amazing music quality and can pair with your iPad, then the LG X Boom Go PL2 is the right choice for you. Want to use your iPad for an extended time? Then meet the Galvanox USB-C, a power bank that offers a huge battery capacity to boost up your iPad. Equipped with a 16,000 mAh battery and with a battery indicator, this power bank can charge up your iPad for 1 to 2 times, allowing you to use your iPad for a long time. With this power bank, you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously, and through the PD-enabled USB-C and USB-A port, you can charge your iPad quickly. With the solar charging feature, this power bank offers safe charging with voltage protection, temperature control, giving you safety and protection while you charge the power bank. This power bank also meets all the FFA regulations for onboard flight use, allowing you to carry it with your iPad while you are traveling. Weighing around 1.17 pounds, it has a slim and sleek profile that makes the power bank more compact and lightweight, enabling you to carry your power bank with your iPad easily. If you're looking for a portable power bank that can be used to charge your iPad and offers a huge battery capacity, then the Galvanox USB-C power bank is the perfect choice for you, and you can get it around $45. So that's all the top 7 best iPad Pro accessories for you. So that sums up our video for today. If you like this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more videos from us, and press the bell icon to get notified for our next video.